Today I'm going to show you all of the plants in the kitchen after I clean. Hi everybody, welcome to the kitchen. And like I said, I was going to show you all of the plants that are in the kitchen right now. This sunlight faces, or this room faces the same part of the house like the living room, so it's got the same amount of light coming through, except for because we have this pergola above it, it kind of filters the room a little bit, so it doesn't get like a strong sunlight. But here's my pothos, and I can show you my propagation station right here. Anything that breaks off, anything that's overgrown, anything that's getting past the stick goes here, and I propagate it and make sure that I get these ones are really ready to get into their pots, but I just haven't had the time. Anyway, this is my calamansi tree. I just threw a bunch of seeds in there, and now it's just growing the second level of leaves that it needs in order to survive a repot. But I'm gonna keep it that way for a little bit more until the stems are just really strong before I repot them. And here my poor green onions. Oh no. But here's another mini monstera, and as you can see, look at all of that. Look at all that. And I guess I'm getting more monkey mask. More monkey mask right there. This one is my begonia. Like I told you earlier, or yesterday, or the video before this one, this is the one that broke off of the other big one. But as you can see, this girl right here is so thirsty. Oh, get out of here. Hate flies. Look at that fly. Hold on, let me get it. Yes, I really don't know where they're coming from, but they're getting in somehow. I think it's the screen that's bent. But look at this new leaf that just came out. It just made an appearance today. So I'm happy about that. Because I really like this begonia. It just doesn't seem like it wants to be nice. But look at how pretty. Look how pretty it is. If it's not backlit. That's so cute. Polka dots. See? But here, it's backlit, so you can't really see the green and how prominent the dots are. So yeah, that's the one. These are the plants that are by the kitchen, and this is northern light. Northern light. This is the eastern facing window, and this is where a lot of my plants also thrive for some reason. But look at this. Look at this poinsettia. Poinsettia. There you go. It said that you should put it in like a dark room or a dark closet from September to December to get the red. But I got red. Look. That's a new leaf. I got red. So maybe it's not totally true. Because, I mean, it's not 100%. This is kind of red. Anyway, this one is the, what is that? Peperomia, another peperomia fiskers, whatever. It likes where it's at right here. I mean, I have like kind of dead, but that's normal. The dead parts at the bottom is pretty normal. And again, another monkey mask. This is another Calathea. Calathea. This is a propagator. It's a propagated one. And look at this Begonia, another one. Another one of my favorite ones. See? It's just so pretty. Just so pretty. Then another one of the Brazil that was propagated from my bathroom. And then this is the Nanook. This one was so fat, like this, they're so fat, but they break off so easily. I don't know why. So I am just propagating in the water for now. Look, even this leaf right here has been, you know, submerged in water forever. But this came from that other plant that I showed you. And it was so thin. It was so thin, but then when I repotted it, suddenly, bam. And here's another of the peperomia. I seem to have a lot of these. I already gave one to my boss. Kind of like sucking up. Just kidding. No, it was her birthday. And I am fair to everyone. When it's their birthday, I give them succulents or some kind of plant. Look how pretty that is. So shiny. It's so shiny and smooth. Right? And this is another one of those. I cannot remember for the life of me what the name of it is. And then the Pothos. This one is the one that I bought from, I think I got this from Lowe's. But I need to propagate some of this. Yeah, it's so fat. And of course, my poor fern, it's still trying to live. Another variegated pothos here. Where else? And then I have my air plants that are super happy. They're super happy. And then here is another Calathea prayer plant. Seriously, guys, at night this goes up and then it comes down. And then let me show you the ones, the plant that really hates me. Like, just hates my guts. This one. ZZ plant. I know, everybody's gonna say, oh, ZZ plants are the easiest. Nope. Not for me. I don't know what it is that I do. But they're not happy. If anybody has any good advice for me, I know they said forget about it and stuff, and I do. But if I ignore it, it still does it. If I don't ignore it, it still does it. So yeah, that's the story, Morning Glory. All right, guys, I think that's it. That's it for me right now. And then next time I'll show you the bathroom we remodeled. Hopefully you like it. But yeah, the baskets, I made little baskets from pine needles. And yeah, it looks so nice. And this little area right here is just the jungle. Check this out, you guys. Look at this. Flower just showed up. And this planter. This happened to me once before when we first moved out here. And there was this kind of flower just growing in the crack of the cement. And now here it is again. What is this, a sign? Is it a sign? It's a sign. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.